Mathematics Olympiad. Today we have a solution for inequalities. Our problem is solve the following inequalities higher degrees. We have to factorize using this formula this kind of problems. When you see these problems, you must use this kind of formula. It's an x to the n power plus a n minus 1, okay, x to n minus 1 power plus use this a 1x, see, plus a to the 0 greater than 0. Use this formula or here or less than 0. Okay, we have to use this kind of factorization of formula in the left side. Okay, so after this, let's start to solve the first problem. Okay, solution for the first problem. We have two problems here. One is x to the 5th power minus x to the 4th power greater than x minus 1. Okay, let's see this one first. All right, let's write x to the 5th power, yeah, minus x to the 4th power greater than x minus 1. All right, so next step here is if only if x, here x to the 5th power minus x to the 4th power minus x, look this change, I moved x to the left side, plus 1 greater than 0. You see the formula that I gave it to you before. I am taking the base, that formula. All right, so if only if, next step, x to the 4th power minus 1, all right, times x minus 1 greater than 0. Okay, next step, if only if x plus 1 times x minus 1 to the 2nd power, this to the 2nd power, all right, times x to the 2nd power here plus 1 greater than 0. See, so next if only if x plus 1 here x minus 1 to the 2nd power greater than 0. All right, that's it with that information. So now let fx, okay, fx equals x plus 1 times x minus 1 to the 2nd power if fx equals 0, right? So then x is equals negative 1 or 1. Okay, the sign fx can be sketched in this way. Let me write some graph. Let's do some graph right here. Negative 1, 0, 1, 2. That's it, right? Let's do some graph. Let me grab this all this data here. So one point is here, another point is right here, and there's another point is right here. So open circle, right? The graph is running in this way, okay? So like this, all right? Okay, so this is our graph right here and then right here. You see? Something like that. Okay? So therefore our conclusion, therefore the solution set to the inequality is this group x such x x such negative 1, right? Negative 1 less than x, and then less than 1, or x greater than 1. See? It's right there. You see in the graph this data. Okay, this is the solution for the first problem. Okay, first problem. Let's go and then try to find the answer to the second one. It's easier. The second problem number 2 is easier. Let me write the problem right here. All right. Problem number 2 is this one. X plus 1 to the second power times x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3 less or equals than 0. All right. So let's write, let fx here equals x plus 1 to the second power times x minus 1 times x minus 2, all right, times x minus 3, right? Whose roots are, the roots, okay, roots are x equals negative 1, 1, 2, and 3, all right? So the roots divide here, the roots divide the real lines, the real line into 5 intervals. All right. Let me make the graph again, like the graph right here. Let me do the same graph right here. Right here. So again, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on right there. So let's do the graph. Let me make the graph. Actually, I'm gonna make 0 right here on top, 0 right there. So the graph crossed this point right here. There's one point, another point here, another point here, another one here, number 3. So the graph ran like this way, like this, and then so something like this. Let's take a picture right here. Then also right here and right here. So that's the data. Those intervals is like that. All right, 5 intervals. So therefore, the solution of the inequality, the solution set on equality is let's write right here, x such x, here is x, less or equals than 1. All right, you have 1 right here, 1 less or equals than 1. Look at this when it's closed, less or equals when the circle is closed. Remember the graph before was the open the circle. When I make the graph, open the little circle, okay? Or here, or in this case is 2, use another color, or 2 less or equals than x. Also, x is less or equals than 3. You see the graph right here. This is the graph. So this is our group. So this is the solution, okay, to the second, our second problem, our second inequality of highest degree.